So something else I would like to demonstrate is the difference different impact drivers can have on the screw. Same piece of wood, same screws, different impact drivers. Got a relatively standard DeWalt, relatively normal Milwaukee, and also a Milwaukee, but this one is one of their new versions, the hydraulic surge action gun. Now what I'll just demonstrate to show you is the difference the different guns can have on driving in the screws. We'll take the 3 drivers in the standard, in the oak, just with our standard screw. First we'll go with the Milwaukee. Tip broke off, but the screw did fully embed. Then we'll take the DeWalt. Similar. Didn't quite embed on this one, and the screw broke before the bit, and then finally the Pulse. Oh, we lost our driver bit. And the screw then broke off. Now that was typical of a stop-start. So let's give that a go again from beginning to end. Bump. And as you can see, different impact drivers do affect screws in different ways.